powerful earthquake is shaking headlines today after a massive 8.7 magnitude quake struck off the Russian coast, drawing immediate global attention. The event, initially reported at a lower magnitude, has been officially revised, making it one of the strongest earthquakes in recent memory for the region. Emergency response teams are mobilizing swiftly, with local and international agencies on high alert. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation, assessing damage, and coordinating rescue missions where needed. The quake's force has sparked widespread concern for communities along the coastline and raised the risk of possible aftershocks or tsunamis. Residents in nearby towns have reported intense shaking, with some structural damage already confirmed. Schools, hospitals, and other critical infrastructure are undergoing urgent inspections to ensure public safety. Communication lines are being prioritized to keep people informed and connected as the situation develops. The broader implications of this earthquake extend beyond immediate rescue efforts. Experts are warning about the potential long-term impact on the region's infrastructure, from transportation networks to energy supplies. With such a significant seismic event, questions are mounting about preparedness and the ongoing risks facing populations in earthquake-prone zones.